Ay! Woo! This is the biggest waterfalls here at 4 waterfalls walk at Breacon Beacons, and we are about to go inside the waterfalls actually, to walk behind the waterfalls to experience how is it to walk behind these magnificent waterfalls. So Joyce is there, she's gonna ahead of me. I'm gonna follow the leader. Woo! This is a surreal experience. Okay, so we're actually walking now to go inside these waterfalls. Breacon Beacon, South Wales. You rock. You're gonna be wet. I'm gonna hide this camera as we go inside because I don't want this camera to be damaged. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's the water, the body of water, the force of nature, cascading, falling down, cascading through this rocky hill. All right. Nothing beats Mother Nature. We're on the way in now. Woo! You see how it is? We're going inside these waterfalls. I hope my camera doesn't get damaged by water. We're actually inside the waterfalls. Woo! Hey! It's very damp here inside. That's outside the waterfalls. And with me is Joyce. How is it, Joyce? How's the experience?
Really cool.
Really cool, yeah.
Once in a lifetime.
Yeah. The camera is getting wet now.
When else are you going to be underneath a waterfall?
Woo! Beautiful experience. Quite slippery here inside. Beautiful. Whoa!